NSO Class 7 2024 Set B Question number 15. Consider the velocity time graph of a body as depicted in the given figure. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct options from the given codes. So this is the velocity time graph. So we have to match column 1 with column 2. I am drawing like this for 2 seconds. I am drawing like this. So first I have to calculate under 2 seconds. So what is distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. What is speed? Speed is area under velocity time graph. So the area under velocity time graph for 2 seconds is this triangle plus this rectangle. So what is the area of this triangle? Area of this triangle is equal to half into base into height. That is half into, what is base? 2, and what is height? 40 minus 20 plus this area of rectangle, length into breadth, that is 20 into 2. So we get 20 plus 40 is equal to 60 meter. We can do in another way also under 2 seconds, velocity under 2 seconds, and this is a trapezium. So area of trapezium is equal to half into this 40 plus 20 into 2 is equal to 60 meter. We can do in either way. We can calculate separately the area of rectangle and triangle and write 60 meter, or we can take it as area of trapezium and write 60 meter. So the velocity time graph, area under velocity time graph under 2 seconds is 60 meter. So displacement of the body in 2 seconds is equal to 60 meter. Now distance traveled by the body in 5 seconds. For 5 seconds we have to calculate this 2 seconds plus 2 to 3 seconds plus 3 to 4 seconds and then 4 to 5 seconds. So we have calculated for 2 seconds. Next 2 to 3 seconds. So for 2 to 3 seconds we'll get like this. I'll draw like this. So this is a rectangle. So area of rectangle is equal to, for 2 to 3 seconds, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So breadth is 3 minus 2 and length is 20. So 20 into 3 minus 2, that is 20 into 1, that is 20 meter. So 2 to 3 seconds is 20 meter, and then 3 to 4 seconds. So 3 to 4 seconds is a triangle. So for 3 to 4 seconds, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height, that is half into, so what is base? 20. So what is height? 20. So base is 4 minus 3, 1. So height is 20, base is 4 minus 3, 1. So half into 20 into 1, that is 10 meter. This is for 3 to 4 seconds. Then for 4 to 5 seconds. And for 4 to 5 seconds, I'll draw like this. Again we will get a triangle. So area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. This half into, so what is base? 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 into height. So this in question it is given as minus 20. So what is height? This is minus 20, but we should not take minus 20 to calculate distance. We should take as positive value. So 20. So 1 into 10 is equal to 10 meter. So for 5 seconds, distance for 5 seconds is we have to add all these for 2 seconds, for 2 to 3 seconds, for 3 to 4 seconds, and 4 to 5 seconds. Then we will get for 2 seconds 60 meter plus 20 meter plus 10 meter plus 10 meter. So sum up will get 100 meter. So distance traveled by the body in 5 seconds is 100 meter. Then displacement of the body in 2 seconds we have calculated 60 meter. Displacement of the body during time interval 2 to 3 seconds. So 2 to 3 seconds also we have calculated, that is 20 meter. So 2 to 3 seconds is 20 meter. Then displacement of the body during time interval 3 seconds to 5 seconds. So 3 seconds to 5 seconds means 3 to 4 seconds plus 4 to 5 seconds. So 3 to 4 seconds is 10 meter. For displacement we should take the negative value. For calculating distance we need not take negative value, minus 20. So we have to plus positive 20. But for calculating displacement we have to take this negative value minus 20. So for 4 to 5 seconds we will get half into 5 minus 4 base into minus 20, that is minus 10 meter we will get for displacement. So displacement for 5 seconds, that is 3 to 4 plus 4 to 5, that is 10 minus 10 is 0. So displacement of the body during time interval 3 seconds to 5 seconds is 0. So A4, B3, C1, D2. Option B is the answer.